Wow! It's a huge success! This is real Dubai chocolate! Mmm! Amazing! Hi everyone! Today we are going to make a viral tweet from social media Dubai chocolate using Nerunerunerune, the popular Japanese DIY candy kit. You know how Dubai chocolate usually features green pistachio cream, right? But don't you think Nerunerunerune might work just as well? And look at this! I got Kataifi on Amazon. It was a bit expensive and I hesitated for a moment, but come on, Dubai chocolate isn't the same without it. So I splurged and bought it. I'm so excited already. Let's start making it. First, I'll chop and melt the chocolate. I want to make a lot, so I'm chopping with full power. The smell of chocolate is just irresistible. And look, I got this cute silicone chocolate mold too. Then, using melted chocolate pens, I'll draw colorful patterns in the molds. Dubai chocolate always has this kind of design, doesn't it? I'm using 3 different DIY candy kits, so I'm making 3 different color designs. Looking good! It's turning out really well. Now, I'll try a 3-color pattern too. Once the designs are done, I pour melted chocolate into the mold and spread it around the sides too. I want to coat it evenly all over. This silicone cup is from Celia, the 100-yen shop, and it's super convenient. You can melt the chocolate right in it using the microwave. No need for a double boiler, so helpful. Tilt the silicone mold to spread the chocolate evenly. Like this. I think thinner is better, so I'll use a spoon to spread it. Looks like I might be running low on chocolate. Better balance the amount carefully. Like this, maybe? Okay, looks good! Tilting the silicone mold helps coat the sides more evenly. The mold isn't very deep, so it's a little tricky, but I think it's turning out well. Let's put it in the fridge to chill. While it's chilling, let's prep the Kataifi. I'll break it up in a frying pan. It's still a bit tangled, but it should be fine. Maybe I made too much. The key is to toast it until it turns golden brown. I'll melt some butter in the pan and toast the Kataifi. Careful not to burn it. It's a little hard to manage. Maybe it really was too much. This is my first time using Kataifi, but it looks nicely brown, so let's go with that. Now, let's make the Nerunerunerune as usual. First up, soda and ramen flavor. Yeah, it looks delicious! Next, grape flavor, also super popular. Don't forget the candy chips. It's super cute, right? Can't wait to see how it turns out! And my favorite, caramel apple flavor. That caramel smell is amazing. Sprinkle the powder, add the water, and let the surface set. Of course, I'll make the butter sauce for that one too. The buttery aroma is really strong. This is definitely going to be rich and delicious. Look, everything's ready to go. Let's mix the prepared Kataifi with the Nerunerunerune. Nice and crispy. About this much. Let's start with the soda flavor. I hope it mixes well. Maybe I didn't make enough Nerunerunerune. Mixing it thoroughly, You can hear that crunchy sound. The sauteed Kataifi turned out nicely. Because the textures are different, it's a little tricky to mix, but I won't give up. Now, I'll place the soda-flavored Nerunerunerune Kataifi mixed into the chilled chocolate molds. Yeah, it's a bit small, but not bad. Let's mix the grape flavor with more Kataifi. I'm getting excited. Gonna mix it really well. Oh wow, now it's blending beautifully. This time, instead of making 4 pieces, I'm going to stuff it into just 2. Wow, I think this batch is going to be a hit. So far, everything's going really smoothly. Now, for the caramelized apple. Can you hear that sound? The surface has hardened. It sounds great. That's how you know. It will be delicious. Mixing with the Kataifi. Oh, this one blended best so far. Adding the butter sauce makes it even smoother. I have high hopes for this one. Stuffing it into the chocolate molds. 2 big ones again. When the filling is packed in tight, it feels so satisfying when you bite into it. The butter makes it extra stretchy too. Let's spread it all the way to the edges. This caramel apple filling stretches really well, so it's the easiest to use. Another success! It's all coming together so nicely. I'm getting excited. Now, I'll pour the melted chocolate on top to seal it. That chocolate smell is amazing. It looks so good. I seriously want to eat it now. The shiny finish is getting me hyped. This is honestly so much fun. Tap to release the air bubbles. It looks so good. Let's keep going with the chocolate. Actually, I ran out of chocolate earlier and had to go buy more. Running out of materials usually leads to failure, right? That's why it's important to put in the extra effort. I'll adjust the amount with a spoon and pour generously. Tap again to get the air out. Let's chill it in the fridge for 1 hour. What kind of Dubai chocolate will we get? It's done! Nice and firm. This is exciting. Time to take it out of the mold. My heart's racing. Careful now. Wow! It's a huge success. This is real Dubai chocolate. Let's take the rest out. Honestly, I was a little nervous, but it turned out amazing. So pretty. I love the color combos too. It pops out so cleanly, so satisfying. And look at that pattern. So pretty, right? Wow, amazing. This is actually emotional. Let's break one open. Wow, incredible! It looks just like the real thing. Let's try it. Itadakimasu. Delicious! The caramel sweetness goes perfectly, and the crispiness of the Kataifi is addictive. Now, let's break the soda-flavored one. You can see the laminate. It's so cute! That cross-section, 100% Dubai chocolate. Let's taste it. The soda's tangy flavor and the chocolate sweetness make a great match. And again, that crispy Kataifi is just amazing. Let's try the grape-flavored one too. This one looks great too. That pinkish color is so cute. The candy chips are shiny and make a nice accent. Let's taste it. The sweet sour flavor of the grape with chocolate and the crunch of the Kataifi, so good. What did you think? This Dubai chocolate and DIY candy kit combo was a total success. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye!